Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto using Anchorage digital wallet, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Anchorage digital wallet app on your device. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the transfer section in the main menu. Select send to initiate a transfer. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send from the list of supported assets. Enter the recipient's wallet address in the designated field. Double-check the wallet address to ensure it is accurate. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you would like to send. Review any network fees that may apply to the transaction. If everything looks correct, proceed by tapping on the next button. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction details. Review the transfer details one last time for accuracy. If all information is correct, confirm the transaction. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication step. After confirmation, wait for the transaction to process. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Check your transaction history to verify the transfer status. Make sure to keep your recipient informed about the transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.